What do you think is considered evidence in a criminal case? Ted Thayer of Res Law has put together a short video to explain what is evidence. Is it a bloody knife? A strand of hair? A fingerprint on a glass? Well, you're not wrong, but there's a lot more to it than just that. Evidence in a criminal case is like a puzzle. Each piece, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in completing the whole picture. And in a courtroom, this picture can mean the difference between guilt and innocence. Physical evidence, like the bloody knife or the strand of hair you thought of earlier, is just one type. Yes, it's significant and often the most visible type of evidence, but it's not the only one. Physical evidence is tangible. It's something you can touch, see, or measure. It includes everything from weapons and tools to fibers and fingerprints. It's the DNA under a victim's fingernails, the tire tracks at a crime scene, or the bullet casing left behind. Physical evidence can often provide the most compelling proof of what happened. But what about when there's no physical evidence? What if the crime was committed without leaving a trace? That's when testimonial evidence comes into play. Testimonial evidence is the information provided by a witness under oath. It's the account of the victim, the testimony of the eyewitness, or the confession of the accused. It's a powerful type of evidence, but it's also subjective and can be influenced by many factors like memory, bias, or fear. Then we have documentary evidence. This type of evidence is any document that can help establish facts in a case. Think about bank records, emails, or text messages. These documents can provide a timeline, motive, or pattern of behavior that can be crucial in a trial. Have you ever heard of demonstrative evidence? It's a type of evidence that illustrates or explains testimony or facts. It's the map used to show the location of a crime, the diagram of a crime scene, or the reenactment of an event. Demonstrative evidence can help the jury visualize what happened and understand complex facts or events. And lastly, we have digital evidence. In today's digital age, this type of evidence is becoming increasingly important. It's the data stored or transmitted in digital form. It's the GPS location data, the internet search history, or the data retrieved from a smartphone or a computer. Digital evidence can provide a wealth of information and can often reveal details that other types of evidence cannot. So, what is considered evidence in a criminal case? It's a combination of physical, testimonial, documentary, demonstrative, and digital evidence. Each type plays its own role, and together they form the puzzle that can reveal the truth about a crime. Remember, evidence is more than just objects or statements. It's a collection of facts, observations, and data that, when pieced together, can paint a picture of what happened. It's the cornerstone of any criminal investigation and the key to justice in the courtroom. But also, remember, not all evidence is created equal. Its value and weight can vary depending on its reliability, relevance, and admissibility in court. And it's the job of lawyers, judges, and juries to evaluate and interpret this evidence, to put the puzzle together, and to find the truth. So, the next time you think about evidence in a criminal case, remember that it's more than just the bloody knife or the strand of hair. It's a complex and multifaceted concept that goes beyond the physical and tangible. It's the foundation upon which justice is built.